Hello and welcome to the session. Employee Relations LO2 devise mechanisms of employee communication and consultation for different types of organizations. How do organizations enhance employee relations through communication? This video explores mechanisms for employee communication and consultation in various organizations. Discover the significance of employee voice and participation. Understanding employment relationships involves unitarist and pluralist perspectives. Unitarist views focus on harmony within organizations. Pluralist perspectives recognize diverse interests and potential conflicts. Strategic choices in managing relationships include collective representation. Trade unions and works councils offer benefits, but also present challenges. Employee involvement is crucial for organizational success. Participation can occur through collective bargaining and consultative committees. Employee voice signifies their influence in decision-making. Effective communication boosts engagement and performance. Understanding these concepts is vital for fostering a positive work environment. The size and structure of an organization shape communication methods. Large organizations may need formal town hall meetings. Smaller entities might prefer informal team huddles. Industry-specific factors also impact communication strategies. For instance, healthcare requires compliance-focused mechanisms. Considering employee demographics is essential in communication design. Generational differences may require a blend of digital and face-to-face methods. Traditional mechanisms like meetings and bulletin boards offer familiarity. However, they may not reach remote teams effectively. Digital channels cater to instant communication needs. Digital channels like email and social intranets are vital. They enable instant communication and data collection. However, cybersecurity and data privacy are crucial considerations. Open-door policies foster transparent communication. They work well in organizations with flexible hierarchies. Regular employee surveys gather valuable feedback. They help identify areas for improvement and satisfaction levels. Suggestion programs encourage innovative ideas. Whistleblower hotlines address unethical behavior. These mechanisms ensure organizational ethics and compliance. Aligning communication mechanisms with organizational values is crucial. Examples show successful integration of communication with values. Encouraging two-way communication fosters engagement. Active employee participation in decision-making enhances culture. Tailored mechanisms resonate with employees and improve outcomes. Feedback loops drive continuous improvement. They help organizations adapt to changing circumstances. Regular monitoring and evaluation are essential. Adjustments based on feedback lead to better outcomes. This process enhances communication and consultation effectiveness. Employee voice allows expression of opinions and ideas. Promoting it is key to increasing engagement. Engagement components include commitment and motivation. Communication mechanisms enhance these components. A positive work environment thrives on active employee voice. Surveys and feedback platforms enable employee input. Town hall meetings foster open communication. Suggestion programs and idea boxes spark innovation. Forums and focus groups provide structured discussions. These mechanisms enhance engagement and communication. Online platforms facilitate information sharing. Real-time interaction boosts knowledge exchange. Social intranets foster community and networking. Examples show their role in employee engagement. These tools enhance collaboration and organizational culture. Open-door policies make leaders accessible. They enhance employee voice and engagement. One-on-one meetings build trust and engagement. Manager-employee interactions promote open communication. Accessibility strengthens relationships and organizational culture. Tailoring mechanisms to culture is vital. Flexibility caters to diverse employee preferences. Offering various mechanisms accommodates different voices. Examples show effective customization in organizations. Flexibility enhances engagement and communication. Confidential channels encourage sensitive feedback. Anonymous surveys promote honest input. Examples show successful implementation of these channels. Anonymity fosters open communication. Ensuring confidentiality is crucial for effective feedback. Continuous improvement relies on regular evaluation. Tracking engagement metrics informs decision-making. Satisfaction scores and participation rates are key. Adjustments based on metrics enhance communication. Monitoring ensures effective consultation mechanisms. Effective communication boosts job satisfaction. Studies show a link between employee voice and morale. Engagement and commitment to goals increase. Research supports the connection to organizational performance. Enhanced morale leads to better outcomes. Engaged employees are more productive. Examples show increased voice leads to higher productivity. Employee input fosters a culture of innovation. Case studies highlight successful, innovative solutions. Productivity and innovation drive organizational success. Herd employees are more likely to stay. Studies show reduced turnover with better communication. Retaining employees saves recruitment costs. Examples illustrate substantial cost savings. Improved retention strengthens organizational stability. Communication reinforces organizational values. Examples show strong cultures built on open communication. Trust and transparency improve performance. Mechanisms that facilitate voice build trust. Organizational culture thrives on effective communication. In conclusion, effective employee communication and consultation mechanisms are essential for supporting positive employment relationships across different types of organizations. By tailoring communication methods such as team meetings, digital platforms, employee forums, surveys, and consultation committees to suit organizational size, structure, and culture, employers can ensure that employees are informed, engaged, and able to contribute to decision-making. Strong consultation practices help build trust, improve morale, and reduce workplace conflict, while also supporting organizational change and performance. Devising appropriate mechanisms highlights the importance of open dialogue and employee involvement in achieving organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.